Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the student.
Hello everyone, good evening, nice to meet you. Welcome to our musical program. To start this program, I am seeking kind permission of our Honorable President. Please. Thank you. First of all, here is modern song. I welcome Mr. Nipul. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Tuljo. Sorry, dear. Never mind. I'm not professional, but I shall next time perform. Please pay for me, and please pardon me.
Thank you, Mr. Nipul. Dear distinguished participants, this is our last part of our program. No more today. Hope to see you next time. And pardon me, please. Bye.
Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Good luck.